Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I use Google Lens to identify items quickly. Sometimes I forget to use Google Lens when I'm out at thrift stores or estate sales, and you can so quickly identify some items with this. I'm going to do that today with a lot of vintage toys that I've had for ages, and I got these for pretty much pennies because it was in a bulk lot that I got at a yard sale a long time ago. Anyway, I'm going to screen share what I use and how I do it just to get the quick basics of what these items are. I am not going to list these individually or anything like that. I'm going to put them up on an eBay auction and just hope that somebody bites. Here's what I got. I kind of think I know that he's from X-Men, I think. Slob or Blob, I think, but I'm not sure, so I need to look at him. I have no idea who this guy is. That's Michael Jordan. I don't need to do anything with that. These guys, I have no idea. I don't know what that is. I don't know him. And hello. That guy, I don't know him. Don't know these guys. And I don't need to do her. She's Storm. So, let's do this. Screen share time. At this point, you go to your app, your Google app. It's going to pull up this lens next to the microphone. Hit the lens. And all you have to do is focus onto your item and hit that search button, the magnifying glass. And it's going to pull up a bunch of items. Some of them are eBay listings, some of them are just .coms. It pulls up different things for different items. I tapped on the collectors.com because it shows me I have the two pieces that go with this guy, X-Men, X-Force, the Blob. So I'm gathering the information I really need just to title it and put in the description. That's perfect. So I can move on to the next guy. This one pulled up different looking things, no eBay listings or anything, but I got the name of the guy, the Max, so I can do further research from there. That's fine by me. Doesn't always pull up, tons of things. In this case, this referee dude, there were a lot of them. None of these really went for much money either, which is why I'm doing an auction on them. This is Picklick. I like Picklick sometimes to do comps. And you just have to scroll down and find the one that's like yours. Sometimes it's really quick and sometimes it takes a little bit longer. So, you just kind of go with it. I clicked on this guy and then I'm going to go back and click on that guy and see if I can get better information. Basically, I know it's from the Karate Kid and he was a referee. So that's really all I care about. And then on this listing here, I can see that it went for $11 at collectors.com. It's out of stock, so I know it's not a super valuable item. And here we go with this dude. Voltron, I think. Yeah, Voltron. So, if you want to take the information you get from here and do further research, that's how you would handle it if you had a bigger, profit item. But I knew these weren't that profitable. Here's an eBay.com 1998. These are not solds. These are for sale. To find the solds, you'd have to go into eBay and check the solds, which I'm not even doing that. So I told you I'm doing this super simple. These little guys go with that other character, the Mask. And I don't know how you pronounce it. ISZ. I'm hoping if these are collectible or valuable that whoever's bidding on the auction will figure it out and just bid it up. So I'll show you the listing and where I'm at with watchers and bids here in a minute. So, it didn't give me listings necessarily. It just gave me the information I needed. Then this guy, what did he come up as? I forget. Oh, he's from the X-Men, I think? No, Mask. And he's a Kenner toy. So just click through and see what you can come up with. I don't think I came up with his name, but I was able to use the word mask in the title, so that's enough for me. And then I found all these, .coms I'd never heard of before, so that was pretty fun. So I just, I didn't dig deep. I know a lot of people that sell toys dig deeper, and that's cool. It's just not necessarily for me unless I think it's really valuable. Here's another mask character. So I think in my title, just put mask, and people that collect that will come looking for it, hopefully, because here I didn't really find him on the first page, so I got a little bored and moved on. But, at least I know where he's from. That's something, right? Moving on. So this guy, there were several that looked similar. I ended up finding a listing on Etsy. I clicked on that, and I'm just looking for the name of the guy at this point. They had a listing for all kinds of items for $50, so I knew just the figure probably wasn't worth much, but he's from Sky Commander, so that's the information I was looking for here. And this weird thing brought up Japanese food toys. I don't know. I get it. I mean, it's a very odd looking thing. So I opened its mouth up and tried again, and it brought up some other weird things. But there, I found that it says doppelganger image. I don't know if that's what that's called. I don't understand it. Didn't really care too much. I kind of came to the conclusion it must come from Spider-Man, and I didn't really care what the name of it was. Quick and easy. So now I have a very good base of what these items are. I'm not going to research them further. I'm just going to do like I said and put them up on an auction. So let's see how that goes. I'll show you my listing. 10-day auction. I'm starting it at $19.99, and I did my shipping at $12.99. That's a little high, but that's what I'm going to do, and we'll just see what happens. Okay, that was really quick and easy, and I've got just the basics of what I need to know. You can always go back and further research the information you get from the Google Lens, but what a quick and easy way to do this when you're out thrifting or at yard sales or wherever you might be. So I hope you use it. You probably already knew about it, but sometimes I forget to use it, and sometimes you just need to be reminded. So thanks. I'll see you next time. Bye.